When comparing Jira Service Management versus Freshservice, it's clear that both have their strengths and weaknesses when it comes to help desk software. So, which one is the best choice for your business? By the end of this video, you'll know what each offers and, more importantly, which one might not be right for you. Let's start with Jira Service Management. One thing that sets it apart is its deep integration with Jira's ecosystem, making it an excellent option for companies that already use Jira for project management. If your team is heavily involved in agile workflows, this could be a game changer. But here's the catch: while it integrates well with Jira, it doesn't offer the most user-friendly experience for teams not already in that ecosystem. The interface can be overwhelming for newcomers, and its customization options require a steep learning curve. Next thing, let's talk about Freshservice. Freshservice brings a clean, modern interface that's intuitive for new users, especially compared to Jira. Its ticketing system is simple yet effective, with strong automation and workflow features. However, it might not scale as well as Jira Service Management for larger, more complex operations. So, if you're a growing company or you need advanced reporting, Freshservice might fall short. But for smaller teams or companies that want a quick, easy-to-deploy solution, it can be a solid option. The third thing to consider is pricing. Jira Service Management offers competitive pricing, but it's important to note that the cost can quickly rise when you start adding on advanced features, and some pricing tiers may feel like overkill for smaller teams. Freshservice, on the other hand, offers flexible plans, but the features available at lower tiers might not match the competition. In short, both are fairly priced, but the real value depends on what features you're looking for. Next thing, let's discuss customer support. Jira Service Management does offer decent support, but there's a catch. It's not always easy to get in touch with someone without navigating through layers of documentation first. Freshservice, however, is known for excellent customer service, with a quicker response time and an easy-to-understand knowledge base. It's clear that Freshservice focuses a lot on customer experience. The fourth thing is scalability. If you're a large company with more complex needs, Jira Service Management might be the better fit, thanks to its customizable workflows and integrations. However, Freshservice offers solid scalability as well, though you may need to upgrade to a higher plan to unlock some of its more advanced features. It's not as robust as Jira when it comes to customization, but it certainly holds its own for most businesses. Lastly, let's talk about the verdict. Both Jira Service Management and Freshservice offer excellent features, but they cater to different needs. If you need something that's customizable, especially for larger teams, and you already use Jira for project management, Jira Service Management is worth a look. But if you're looking for something with a better user experience, solid customer support, and an easier setup, then Freshservice might be the way to go. Now, both of these are good options, but after trying them myself, I've found a better alternative. If you want something that offers the best of both worlds with an easier interface and more customizable features without the steep learning curve, then check out the link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. Don't miss out.